Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. Let's see how to add alternative partners for BP customer and create one sales order. Let's see this. And for this, we require a BP, master data, and your sales order create or change or display. These are the transactions you already know very well. Okay. So we're at little advanced level. We'll see the things. So let me show you whatever the BPs I have created here. Okay. So if you click my search term, I can able to display all these are the different BPs. Okay. So let me take this BP and I will try to add these two BPs. Okay. So if I open BP, you are not, BP is actually picking the customer, vendor, and supplier, what you call, and contact person, BP, and if you take agents, employees, or else you take anything for that matter. Okay. So what basically happens? Okay. BP is just like, see, like BP is an umbrella. Under that, how many, under umbrella, that number range, how many members you can able to invite, like how many partners can invite. It may be sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, separate sold to party, separate bill to party, one time customer, or else insurance agent, or else advertising agency consultant, or else IT consultant employee. Okay. Insurance consultant or a commission agent, forwarding agent, whatever you take, all those people, how many roles you can able to fit under one umbrella. That means one single number range is catching up different numbers. That is called BP concept. So let's try to understand that. I have already explained in configuration and all those things. Let's try to check. We have a BP of this number. So let me take the customer role. In the customer role, we have something called partners. Okay. If you look at this, specifically, like, these are the partners I have defined. What is our objective? We would like to add alternative partners. Okay. So for example, ship to, I will take as this one. So probably like I can take this one as one ship to. Okay. Additional ship to. In the similar way, I can able to fix under one BP for customer, how many alternatives I have. Like if you look at that ECC, there is no discussion about your BP. Okay. But you have something called your customer XD02 or XD03 or XD01. You can able to maintain alternative partners. The same thing, I'm just try to break the confusion. You are not going to add the BP. You are going to add the BP customer for another BP customer or same BP customer. Depends on your choice. Okay. So we have this one. Let's take one more. So probably let me check. This is there. So it is a bit slow. Let's see this, whether we can able to save it or someone is trying. Sometimes it's dumb. It's a practice system. Let's hope for the best. And let's add BP as this one. And maybe pair as so let's restrict this one till two. Don't want to add any pair as of now. Let's try to check another BP only, bill to party as this one. Now let's see this. So this is like, you have a partner, you will have a different ship tos and bill tos. In the similar way, you can able to add pairs also. Okay, let's save this. So what it is saying, so this, the customer sales area, DC partner role entered multiple times. So where it is entered. So let's try to check. Okay, probably I'll just try to pick this one as, oh, ship to I have already added. So probably I'll do one thing. I'll just, so let's try to check one by one. So we have a payer sold to, oh, we entered bill to twice. Okay, this is already available. So that's why it is saying when you have like this situation, just select. So let's try to do one thing. Let's try to add this one as this one. You can able to delete also and re-add. So let's save this. This is how we have to add alternative business partners. I'm struggling with my current the system where I'm doing practice. It has a lot of dumps to fix. Literally, it is horrible. Okay, let's see this. This is the outcome of the thing what you are seeing. Let's save this. So this is basically BP VAT registration number. At general level, it is asking. I'm not going to add anything. Now let's try to play with the system now. Okay. So this is the customer. Never ever think that if these are equal to BP, then that is you can able to take that one as a customer. But if BP is not equal to, you can look at this. For this customer, BP is this. If you look at this, for this BP is this. You look at this customer, your BP number range is different from your customers. Okay. Let's try to give a sales order now. So now see this default is this one. Okay. If I want it, so ship to, I can able to choose this one. Okay. And this is, if I want to bill to also, I can able to change it different one. So if you look at this, okay, if I change this, so bill to is this one and my ship to is this one. If I want how I want it, I can able to change it. In the similar way, I can able to enter the pairs also. So this is marked for deletion. Okay. Let's check what is the issue with this before moving ahead. Okay. I'll show you in my next session different things related to, okay, let's come here first. It's a bit slow. Let it be. Let's create an order because as part of one of my testing, I've just set for the customer as a deletion flag one of the partner. Suppose if you select this, you'll get a warning message. Don't worry now. So this one I am selecting as a bill to party. This one I'm selecting as a ship to. Okay. Now press enter. If you look at this, Home Sri Sai Ganesh, Home Sri Ganesh is sold to, and Rocky King is ship to. And let me try to check the partners, both header level and item level. Okay. Let's put the test here and go to the header and you can able to check the partners. Now see this. So this guy is sold to 6 and 7 is bill to and pair is same 6 and this one. This is how you can able to add alternative partners for what I would say for your BP customer. So in the similar way, if you would like to check at item level also, same story. Okay. If you would like to check the header also. Okay. So you will have a chances like, you can able to determine in the same process how you would like to determine uh, your document partners also at document type level. Okay. But it has its own significance. Let's check incomplete log. So this is, okay, net value and ship to. Okay. So this pricing is not at set Let's save this. Ship to anyhow, like I need to do shipping point determination. As of now, I'm just saving this one. Okay. So now the partner, I need to set up the ship to actually. So this is how you have to create your alternative partners for BP. Okay. Please make sure that, you know, all the BPs need to be extended with the same sales organization and company code. Then it will not work. How you have the similar concept, like, so probably like, if you look at that, look at in ECC in the similar way, how it is supposed to match with account group and what I would say your partners determination procedure, and as well as it should be exactly like a carbon copy. The only thing is that your general data details varies. This is how we have to set up. Okay, so why it is missing a shipping point determination, because I have forgotten to assign this one. Okay. So we have few fields we'll discuss. If you want, I can show you now with full way. So let's try to do one thing. I'll just take this one as this one, ship to and bill to with the same thing. Okay. So now let's put it this one as first. Take the material. So let's click this. Your shipping is determined now. Okay. These are the small things like, we need to get set up. Okay. So cancel this one, go to the conditions. We know this is what it is manually happening. Let's save this. Now it is saved with full details. This is how you have to walk actually. Now you come to know how alternative partners we can able to set up, right? So like if you really like this video, please like it, and I just requesting you, if you really wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe my Udemy courses. All these are the different set of my Udemy courses. If you really want it, you can subscribe it so that it will be useful to you. This is my ECC course, one of the top course, 114 hours with 433 lectures. And these two courses specifically I recommend for beginners, and not only beginners, for experienced professionals also joining my courses. This is with idoc with 5 scenarios. This is how to write a functional specification. Without these two courses, never ever try to get into the real time. You'll be trouble, but few people will pick the things. Don't try to experiment on your career. And these two courses for pricing. And when it comes to this one, right? This one is like BP. I have explained in a better way. You can give it a try. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.